you're getting a Boerboel puppy, you need to have their feeding money 2 years upfront. Yes.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Canine series, and in this video we'll be interviewing one of the biggest Boerboel breeders and owners in Rivers State.
Pleasure.
Good morning, sir.
Pleasure. Okay, my name is Epia Michael. I actually hail from Delta State, but most of my friends know me as Big Mike. The name of my kennel is BigMike Boerboels, and it was established the year 2021. So here with us we have 3 dogs. These are my foundation dogs. So we have Sky Vision Citus, who is a 2 years old male. He's currently the champion of Port Harcourt, the highest appraised Boerboel in Port Harcourt actually, with the appraisal score of 85.2. according to SAP standard. Okay, so over here we have Elevation Kiki. It's a brindle female, very lovely girl. And we have Sarah, also another sweet girl. And they are part of my breeding plan for next year, because I'm actually appraising them next month. I'll say my journey with dogs has been a childhood affair. We've had dogs for the longest time possible, though then it was not Boerboels, it was German Shepherds. And a tragic incident happened and we lost all our dogs. So my love for Boerboel in particular started when I was in Accra schooling. You know, that was around 2014, the year 2014. In Ghana, they have some very big Boerboels. I think that was the first time I ever saw a Boerboel. You know, there was this compound next to where I live. I used to hear these heavy barkings. Like, I was wondering what kind of dogs were inside that compound. So the day I was opportunity to see the dog, it was a massive, mastiff dog. I asked, I said, what breed of dog is it? It was a Boerboel. And that was where my interest started. I started doing research on the breed, and eventually, after I finished from Ghana around the year 2021, I was ready to own my first Boerboel. And I've been doing a lot of research on the breed. So I've been on Instagram, I've been following most of the breeders in Nigeria, because I figured there were other breeders in Nigeria that were also doing breeding the Boerboel. So a particular evening, our friend Kyo and Makri were just talking about the breed, and then we started looking at Sky Vision Kennel, his Instagram page, and we saw some very lovely dogs. I decided I would contact him, and that was when I did, and he actually gave me Sky Vision Citus. So Citus was 9 weeks old when he came. He's 2 years old now, so he still has a lot of growing up to do. I'm told that he will still grow up to 3 years. It was the first sight. It was love at first sight. You know, when I first saw the breed, I just loved it. You know, there's a lot of unique things about Boerboels that you must follow. Boerboel is a dog that once you see it, it piques your interest immediately. I mean, the musculature of the dog, their size, their temperament, the way they move. You know, their movement is very, very buoyant. So it's just a very lovely dog, I would say, in general.